So we've had a few requests for help with this issue, so I thought I'd do a video because it might help a few more people where people are struggling with the audio issues. So we're going to look at the best audio settings on your Firestick, Fire TV, and all about syncing the lips up, so making sure your audio is in sync with what you are watching, because there's nothing more annoying. Okay, let me just make sure we've got the audio sound turned on for my Firestick as well, and here we go. So first, I'd be happy or grateful if you could hit that follow button. Make sure you check out all my other offers and socials linked underneath. And we're going to start in here, in your settings. And in here you have a display and audio section. Boom. And you have your audio section, okay? You know, Home Cinema, Alexa Home Cinema is separate, where you connect it to separate devices on your Echoes. But we're going to go into audio. And down here you have advanced audio. This is very important. If you have advanced audio on other systems as well, you don't want them all turned on because they kind of clash together. So if your TV has an advanced audio, have that one on. If your TV doesn't, then you could possibly put this one on. I have them off. I prefer to have it off, so I don't use the advanced stuff. I can just manually level stuff out. Same with dialogue enhancer, but again, you can try it, but half the time, like I say, it clashes with your TV versions. Okay, so that can be why things can go all a bit funny. You know, it's things trying to be too smart. Keep it simple. Turn these off. Okay, and then you get UAV sync tuning, and this is the one where you can actually find that things are in time. So you can adjust the slide left or right until the visual are in sync. Okay, so it needs to bounce as the same as the sound. Okay, mine should be in sync. It may sound a little bit out of sync, obviously, where I'm recording it, but what you'll see is as it bounces, it pings. And if you need to adjust it, you just move it along and then apply it, or just move it along the other way and hit apply. So let me just, I don't want to lose where I'm at, so that's where my one is. Oh, I just realised my head's completely in the way. Let me move me, wait there. Oh, I can disappear actually, yeah. So here we go. So you can either move it left, move it right, and then if you select it, so we're going to go on apply, and what that does, it adjusts where the sound is and where it's bouncing, okay? And that's how you can listen to put your in time, and then you can go back and check it in your apps, okay? In your apps. So that's the best way to do the actual sync directly on the device itself. Like I say, turn off any advanced stuff. You can look at these, but best available is your best option on those. Navigation sounds you can turn off. You can also look at individual apps. In certain apps, sometimes it's broadcasting different sound outputs and things like this. So you can have a little look. Let's just load up my Netflix. Just for an example, this is more than anything. Okay, we're in. Let me just turn the audio off again so it doesn't come in too loud. You don't need the audio just to see what I'm showing you. And in here, we can go on to anything. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to pause it as soon as it starts anyway. Motherland is very funny. And down here, you can have a look at different with the English and the English original and things like that. So you can change your audio settings. So you've got a few options here, or you go on to other, and you do have some different audio options as well. Some does, some doesn't. Sometimes it'll come up with a 5.1 option, and if you haven't got a surround sound plugged in, it's the wrong option, okay? Again, these are just preferences, but do give it a whirl and let me know how you get on. Hopefully that helped those people who have been asking for it. Hopefully it helps a few more of you. I've been Dr. Squiffy. Hit that follow button. Hit subscribe on YouTube for free. Check out my socials and offers, and I'll see you on the next one.